Rob Frazier here. This video, how to work the perpetual traffic plan with the Discover Heal opportunity. Getting into this, there's 3 ways to build a business online. There's clicks. When I say clicks, I mean buying traffic or buying advertising. Content, videos, blog posts, and things you post on social media. This video is an example of my content marketing strategy. And lastly, connections. I'm sure you've heard this before. People join people that they know, like, and trust. People do not join autoresponders. People don't join systems. They join the people behind those systems. So that being said, clicks, content, and connections. There's everything that you do online as far as digital marketing, even offline, all can be categorized under one of those 3 C's. No matter what it is, native ads, YouTube ads, doing the belly-to-belly thing, networking, going to networking events, everything can be chunked down into those 3. So that being said, how can you do that if you have joined Discover Heal? Very simple. The first one, clicks, paid traffic. That's the easiest way to build a business online, in my opinion. I had my breakout year in 2015 simply because I started buying traffic on a regular basis. With the Heal opportunity, in your back office, you have access to marketing and you have access to the different capture pages for each of the different things that you want to promote here. So basically, I like to promote the bulletproof product. It's a not one-time $9.95 product, and it basically takes what I'm sharing in this video and kind of chunks it down. But what I'm pulling up here is an example of what we would be doing if we're buying traffic. These pages right here, it's just simply a matter of buying clicks and sending those clicks to one of these pages right here. This right here is called a capture page. When you do that, if you don't have an autoresponder, if you don't have Aweber GetResponse or anything like that, that's fine. What happens is when you send leads into this system, the owner will follow up with your leads automatically, and he will also target, sounds bad, but he will also retarget your leads on Facebook. So whenever somebody comes here and they opt into this page, when they put in their email here, they get linked to you, they'll be in your system. The owner, Stephen Munson, will send them email follow-ups automatically with your link to join in the emails, and he will also retarget those folks on Facebook. And so if they see a Heal advertisement on Facebook, and they will because they opted in, that will also be linked to you as well. So that's buying clicks, and I buy clicks from a few simple places online. Traffic for me, MLM leads are my top 2 recommended sources, especially for this opportunity. And it's very simple. All I do is I buy clicks, I buy 100 clicks, I buy 1,000 clicks, I buy 10,000 clicks, and I send it to this page right here. And once those clicks start, the system will take over. That's clicks. The second part is content. So this video, I'm sharing content. Also, a couple of the products I do want to talk about is the bulletproof product, more so focuses on paid traffic. Underneath this legacy training, there's the 7 ways to win. That talks about content marketing and why you want to do it. The whole point is to talk about, I try to chunk it down and tell folks, look, content marketing is simple. You go through the products that you have purchased, you learn something, you apply it to your business. If you don't get a result, you go back and you learn something else. You go back through the training, you tweak what you have learned, you apply it to your business. If you get a result, you document, you talk about your result, and you share. You share that result in your videos, in your social media posts, in your blog posts. This is what I'm doing in this video right here. And I have signed up hundreds of people across various opportunities online from simply following these 3 steps: clicks, content, and connections. So the 7 ways to win talks about content marketing. That's a one-time, I think it's like it's an $8 product. It's like a 7 video little mini course, and it talks to you about content marketing. But the whole point is, you have all of these products back here, and especially the 6 steps to 6-figure product. It's all about going through the information, learning something, applying it. If you get a result, you document and you share it. And a lot of people purchase courses and things like that, but they don't go through them. That's what we're trying to get people to say, hey, you bought this thing. Go through it. You're going to learn things from it. And when you look at it from the standpoint that I'm sharing it with you here, you'll understand how the whole process works. You learn something, you apply it, you document, you share it. You don't have to be a YouTube star, you don't have to be a blogger. You could just post it on social media, the results you're getting, or different things you're learning. And lastly, clicks and content, all of that builds your connections, because at the end of the day, people join people they know, like, and trust. Pardon my language here, but gone are the days where people are just going to join random systems and random people through random emails. People want to see who the guy is behind the site, or who the gal is, and what they're all about, and if the sponsor's going to help them, and all of that kind of stuff. So in my case, my clicks, my content, that's all designed to build connections online. Obviously, because of the times we're living in, mostly everything is online. So that's what I do. When people reach out to me through my videos, they get on my email list. I buy traffic. That's my clicks. I build my email list, and that's the next step down the road. Get you making money. You'll learn how to build your own email list, so you're not just relying on the company's emails. So you build your own email list. You take your content that you're posting online, especially your videos and your blog posts, if that's what you do, you send that to your email list. That builds that deeper connection, and from that connection, eventually you get a business partner. Also, a couple of the products here go into learning how to build a business on social media. The Facebook growth product and the 21-day challenge. Both of those 2 products, they're one-time additional purchases that are also commissionable. Those 2 products will teach you how to position yourself on social media so people will take you serious when it comes to this stuff. Because if you're just using social media to complain and be crazy and all this kind of stuff, that's okay. But if you want to make money with it, you're going to have to change a few things. And that's what you'll learn through the Facebook growth and the 21-day challenge. You'll have access to different content that you can learn from, that you can apply, that you can get a result, that you can document and share. And it's just a matter of committing to that process and doing the same things over and over and over again. And it is really just that simple. It becomes its own ecosystem. And the last thing I'll share is the same process I do with multiple other businesses. So if you follow me on YouTube, you see I'm a couple different things. I do the same structure for all of those different programs that I'm in. Learn from the back office, learn from the products, apply it, document, share, send people into the system. Clicks, connections, content, and I just keep doing that. So that being said, wrapping this video up, if you're interested in Heal, this capture page will be in the description underneath this video. Go ahead and opt in. Name's Ron Frazier. We'll see you in the next video. Also, if you're getting this video during my email, underneath the video, we'll have a link that'll take you to the replicated presentation. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!